On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove this stubborn red stain on our carpet. This is a synthetic red dye found in like red wine, Kool-Aid, fruit punches. It's real hard to get out of carpets, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm going to use this product called Red Relief. It's a two-part solution, A and B. So what we have to do is mix an equal amount of A and an equal amount of B in a container. So we can go ahead and mix it up. So I'm going to put it in the spray bottle. And let's go ahead and apply a liberal amount of our solution to our stain. Now we have to just work it in. Next, we're going to need a small towel, like a hand towel or a washcloth, depending on the size of your stain. So we just damp it up. What we're going to do is we're going to use steam and heat to draw the stain out. So we'll just cover our stain with our terry cloth. So we're just going to use a regular steam iron. So we're going to set it to the lowest steam setting, and we're going to set the heat to medium. So right here where our stain is where we're going to put the iron on top of the towel. Without applying any pressure, we're just going to go ahead and set the iron on top of the stain. And anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute, we're going to go ahead and check it. Now, right now, what we're doing is removing the stain into the towel with the steam and the heat. Let's go ahead and check it. And there it is there. So we're going to go ahead and move it over and go ahead and repeat the process. It's working. So just go through the whole stain and repeat the process. There it is there. The towel may be no good, but the carpet's nice and clean. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.